children, I welcome you Others Vidyalaya e-learning program, Direct and Indirect Speech Part 2. I am Stella, Others Vidyalaya Andiyur, English Department. Previous sessions we had gone through the rules for changing direct and indirect speech and 5 tables. I hope you recall all the rules and tables thoroughly. This sessions we are going to see exercises. Let us start direct to indirect speech exercises. First one, statement. First exercise, Valli said to her friend, you may find this sum difficult if you do not learn the formula. We want to change the direct into indirect speech. Valli said to is changed into told. Here conjunction that. You changed into she. May changed into might. And this is changed into that. And next you changed into she. Do not is a present simple changed into simple past and did not learn. So again you see the answers. Valli told her friend that she might find that sum difficult if she did not learn the formula. Second one, Shankar said to his friend, Madam, I had prepared my project assignment but I forgot to bring it. Here you see that you apply the rules. Shankar said to is changed told. Told his teacher politely here because he calling madam. So here politely conjunction that. I pronoun changed into he. Here had prepared is a past perfect. In our rules the past perfect won't change. It's a remain unchanged. Had prepared. My is changed into his project assignment, but I pronoun changed into he. And forgot simple past tense. In a direct speech change into indirect speech past perfect. Had forgotten to bring it. So again you see the answer again. Shankar told his teacher politely that he had prepared his project assignments but he had forgotten to bring it. Third exercise, the resident said to the collector, thank you for helping us during the floods last week. Answer, the residents said to is changed thank because here the thank the collector. So the reporting verb thank the collector for helping us is changed into them during the floods. The last week's changed into previous week. Again answer, the residents thank the collector for helping them during the floods the previous week. Next, interrogative sentences. So, interrogative sentence beginning with question word. WH question word. So, here see that the structure, here only we are applying the structure in the rules. WH word plus subject plus verb. So, now you see the exercise. Mary said to Priya, when did you meet my sister? Answer, Mary said to is changed asked Priya when. WH word, here no conjunction but we should write the WH word first. When. WH word when you write first and then here did given, but in indirect speech we should, after writing the WH word, next we should write the subject. Here subject you. You is changed into see. And next we should write the verb. Did meet. Did meet is a past tense, simple past tense. When we change into indirect speech, simple past tense changed into past perfect. Had met. My is changed into her sister. Once answer, Mary asked Priya when she had met her sister. Second exercise. Where are you going now? Said Ravi to his friend. Ravi said to his friend is changed into inquire, or we can write ask also. Inquire his friend. Here WH word where. Where you subject changed into he. Are going is changed into was going. Now is changed into then. Once again, Ravi inquired his friend where he was going then. Third exercise, Raja said to Ram, what is your father? Raja said to is changed, asked Ram. WH word what. Here your father is subject. Your is changed into his father. Is changed into was. So clear? So very very important in interrogative, when we change into direct to indirect, which we have to concentrate structural change. First we should write the WH word, and next we should write the subject, and next we should write the verb. Clear? And next interrogative sentence beginning with auxiliary verb, that is yes or no type questions. The conjunction is if or whether, and then how to frame how to structure the sentence means first conjunction we should write, and then subject and verb. Okay, and now see the exercise. Kumar said to Raju, are you going to join NCC? Answer, Kumar. Said to is changed, ask Raju, conjunction if or whether. Okay, and here subject is you. You is changed into he. Are going changed into was going, or to join NCC. There no need to put a question mark at the end. We should keep a full stop. And second exercise, have you ever been to Kodaikanal? My friend asked me. My friend asked. Already here asked reporting verb given. We can use same reporting verb. Asked me. Conjunction if. Here subject you. Because the listener is me, so we change the I into you. You subject we changed here I. Have been changed into had been. Present perfect changed into past perfect to Kodaikanal. Again, once again answer, my friend asked me if I had ever been to Kodaikanal. Next, third one, the conductor said to the passenger, have you bought your ticket? The conductor said to is changed, inquire. Inquire we write, or ask also we can write. Inquire the passenger, conjunction if. You is changed into he. Have bought changed into had bought. Your is changed into his ticket. The conductor inquired the passenger if he had bought his ticket. Clear this one? So here also the structural change how to write. In a yes or no time, first we should write the conjunction for whether, and next we should write the subject, and next we should write the verb. Shall we move the next? Next, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences, you know very well, it's order, commanding and advice like that. So we'll see one by one. The general said to his soldiers, open fire. This is order sentence. The general said to his changed order his soldiers. So conjunction, what is the conjunction? To open fire. We are adding to open fire. The general ordered his soldiers to open fire. Second exercise, you see that The teacher said to the boys, listen to me carefully. So teacher advised the boys. So the teacher said to is change advised the boys. The conjunction is to listen to him carefully. Here me is changed into him carefully. The teacher advised the boys to listen to him carefully. Third one, Raju said to his father, please buy me a bicycle. Here please given, so it is request sentence. So we should write the reporting verb requested. Raju requested his father to, here because we are written requested, so no need to write again the please. So to buy me is changed into him as cycle. Raju requested his father to buy him a bicycle. Clear? Shall we? Next, exclamatory sentences. So exclamatory, the sentences end with exclamation mark. We can find. Veena said to her friend, how beautiful your handwriting. This is exclamation mark is there. So we should write the exclamatory word, reporting verb. Veena said to is changed, exclaimed her friend, and saying that, we can add saying that, conjunction that. Here after that how beautiful we should not write. We should write the subject first. Your handwriting, your is changed into her handwriting was very, because how beautiful, it is a exclamation. So here we should write in ordinary sentence, we use very beautiful. So Veena exclaimed her friend saying that her handwriting was very beautiful. Next, Balaji said to me, what a good deed you have rendered me. So Balaji said to is changed, exclaimed, conjunction that, and here because me, exclaim me, the listen me, so here you is changed into I, and then have rendered is changed into had rendered. Me is changed into him, and then next one we should write a good deed. So we should change the exclamation verb sentence as an ordinary sentence, and then we should change everything. So Balaji exclaimed that I had rendered him a good deed. Clear? Let us see indirect to direct speech exercise. Before changing the sentences, we recall the rules. Rules for changing indirect to direct. Change the reporting verb. Second one, remove the conjunction. Third one, add comma, quotation, question mark, etc. Fourth one, change the pronoun. Fifth one, change the tense. Sixth one, change the denoting words. Next one, structural change. Next, first we should see the statement sentence exercises. Mala told her mother that she had already revised all her lessons. Answer, Mala told is changed into set, reporting verb. Her mother, that conjunction removed. She is changed into I. Had already revised, the tense changed into have already revised in a direct speech. All her is changed into my lessons. Mala said to her mother, comma, open quotation, I have already revised all my lessons, full stop, close the quotation. Second one, John told his son that he wanted to meet his teacher. John told, reporting verb changed into said to his son, comma, and that conjunction removed. Open quotation, he is changed into I. Wanted simple past tense is changed into simple present tense. Want to meet His is changed into your teacher, full stop, close the quotation. John said to his son, comma, open quotation, I want to meet your teacher. Close, full stop, close the quotation. Third one, Lalita told Sarah that she had written the library book the previous day. Answer, Lalita told reporting verb changed into said to Sarah, comma, that conjunction removed, open quotation, she is changed into I, had written changed into written. So why means I explain. The library book the previous day changed into yesterday. So had written we may change into have written, but here the previous day they given, so previous day we change means it changed into yesterday. So yesterday means we should write the simple past tense only. Clear? Shall we go the next one, interrogative WH type questions. Balu asked the boy why he was crying. Then Balu asked it changed into said to the boy, comma, open quotation. Here no conjunction in WH word. We should try the WH word first. Why? Auxiliary verb, we should do the structural changes. We should apply the structural changes in interrogative. Auxiliary verb, here is was is changed into are. He is changed into you. You crying, then is changed into now. Balu said to the boy, comma, open quotation, why are you crying now? Question mark, close the quotation. The salesman asked the man what he wanted. Answer, the salesman asked is changed into said to the man, comma, open quotation, WH word what, and here no auxiliary verb. So main verb, what is the main verb? Wanted. Wanted simple past tense. We the wanted we separate do plus want, did plus want. When we change into indirect to direct speech, we should change into simple present tense. So the did is changed into do. What do you want? Question mark, close the quotation. The salesman said to the man, what do you want? Question mark, close the quotation. Third one, Jalal asked Sankar where he had bought that bag. Jalal asked is changed into said to Sankar, comma, where had bought. Had bought is a past tense, past perfect. We should change into simple past tense. So we auxiliary verb what we should write? Did. Where did, he is changed into you, and by, that is changed into this bag. Okay, clear? Interrogative sentence is yes or no type. Father asked me whether the postman had come. The father asked is changed into said to me, comma, open quotation. Whether conjunction should remove. Okay, here whether conjunction is whether, we are remove the whether conjunction, and here auxiliary verb. First structural changes, you see that auxiliary verb, next we should write the subject, and next we should write the verb. So here had is a auxiliary verb, so we have to bring the had into present tense. Has the postman come? Question mark, and close the quotation. Next one, mother asked her daughter if she liked that saree. Mother say asked is changed into said to her daughter, comma, open quotation, liked. Liked, only the main verb is here. So we have to divide that verb, did plus like. So did is past tense, we change into indirect to direct. We did is change into do. Do you like? That is changed into this saree. Question mark, close the quotation. Mother said to her daughter, do you like this saree? And third one, Ram asked his friend if he had read the newspaper. Ram asked is changed into said to his friend, comma, open quotation, and a if conjunction should remove. Here had read, we should change have read, and then have he is changed into you read the newspaper, question mark, close the quotation. Okay, Ram said to his friend, comma, open quotation, have you read the newspaper, question mark, close the quotation. Clear? Imperative sentence. The principal advised the students to keep the school clean. Answer. The principal advice is changed into said to the students, comma, open quotation. To conjunction we should remove. Keep the school clean, close the quotation. The principal said to the students, comma, open quotation, keep the school clean. The teacher, second one, the teacher ordered the student not to make a noise. And the teacher order is changed into reporting verb said to the students, comma, not to means negative, imperative negative. So how we start? Don't make a noise, full stop, close the quotation. The teacher said to the students, comma, open quotation, don't make a noise, make a noise, close the quotation. Third one, Gobi requested Suresh to lend him a pen. Answer, Gobi requested is changed into said to Suresh, comma, and requested reporting verb. So we should write the please, start with please. Please lend to, we should remove the conjunction, and lend him is changed into me a pen. So Gobi said to Suresh, please lend me a pen. Next one, exclamatory. The people exclaimed that the boxer was very strong. The people exclaimed is changed into said to the reporting verb, comma, open quotation. We should write the exclamatory sentence. So, how strong the boxer is, exclamation mark, close the quotation. And next one, Jyoti exclaimed that the teacher had a very wonderful brain. Jyoti exclaimed is changed into said, comma, open quotation, because very wonderful brain. So we should say in a exclamatory. So what a wonderful brain our teacher has. Had is changed into has. Okay, close the quotation. Jyoti said, open quotation, what a wonderful brain our teacher has. Third one, the people said with sorrow that he was dead. Here with sorrow. So we should write the exclamatory word, sorrow, the exclamation word. The people said, comma, open quotation, sorrow, because sorrow, so we should write alas. Alas, he, conjunction we should remove, and he was is changed into is dead. Full stop, close the quotation. The people said, alas, he is dead. Clear? So all the exercises, for all kind of exercises, it's explained already. You learned in our OER classes. Now you revise. If many exercises, if you work out means you are thorough with the indirect to direct exercises. Okay. Dear children, I hope you understand well. Thank you for watching.